In today's video, I'll show you how to find a Gmail account using a phone number, step by step. This method is useful if you've forgotten which email is linked to your number or you're trying to recover your own account. Let's get right into it. Open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. Once you're there, you'll see a link that says, Forgot email? Click on it. Now, Google will ask for your phone number. Enter the number that is linked to the Gmail account you're trying to find. Then click Next. Type the first and last name you used when you created the Gmail account. Click Next again. Google will now send a verification code via SMS to the number you entered. Once you receive the code, enter it into the field and click Next. After verifying, Google will show you the Gmail address associated with that phone number, if one exists. That's it. You've now recovered or found the Gmail account linked to that phone number. Important notes. This method only works if the phone number is linked to a Gmail account. If you don't receive a code, double-check the number or try another name. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a helpful tutorial again. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.